Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically trim off excess illustrations on Adobe Illustrator. So you can either select the rectangle shape and add it to your canvas and select everything, right click, make clipping mask, and it's going to trim off the excess. Or you can just simply go to view and select trim view. But when you export it later, so when you select export as here, make sure you select JPEG and then select use artboards so that it trims off the excess, and then just press export. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!